Fuzzy complement. See, we have done fuzzy complement, fuzzy union, fuzzy intersection. But we must know some rules to we must know some rules that must be satisfy if you apply complement, union and intersection. That rule is called as nothing but axioms. Axioms क्या बोलते हैं axioms? That is nothing but a rule. Got it? What is axioms? Okay. So if fuzzy complement is given, to find the complement, what we need, a bar complement is equal to mu a bar complement x is equal to 1 minus mu a bar x. Okay, where c is equal to 0 to 1 and c is nothing but a complement which need to satisfy the following axioms. Okay, so which are the following axioms? Let's see. Axiom number 1. Okay, complement of 0 is equal to, if you put 0 in this equation, what will you get? Complement of 0 is equal to 1 and complement of 1 is equal to 0. So this axiom is satisfied to one of the condition that is called boundary condition. So write down complement axiom number 1, c in bracket 0 equal to 1, c bracket 1 equal to 0, and we satisfy the first axiom, that is boundary condition. All of you write down, please. Okay, all of you. Rishabh, Mohit, Rahul, Tanish, Joy, Adit, Tanmay. To find a complement, we have already found a complement, but some of the exams, some of the rules we must satisfy. The first rule of complement is it must satisfy the boundary condition, and the boundary condition is c of 0 equal to 1, then c of 1 equal to 0. This is the boundary condition. Got it? Now next is if a less than b, where a comma b is belongs to 0 comma 1 interval, then complement of a greater than or equal to complement of b. अगर a is less than b, where a comma b is belongs to 0 comma 1, then complement of a is greater than or equal to complement of b, where c is monotonic. Hello. Anyone? Are you able to listen me? Mohit, Rahul. Okay. So first condition, boundary condition. Second condition is monotonic function. Can you tell me what is monotonic function? What is monotonic? A monotonic is a variable or a value or a function which neither increase or not decrease. So if a fuzzy set is given where a value of a is less than b, where a comma b is belongs to 0 comma 1, then complement of a is greater than or equal to complement of b. Second condition, second exam is monotonic. This is just an exam that you must remember. अगर पूछे तो ये सेट इज, अगर तुमको एक ए और बी दो सेट दे दिया, वो लोग and they want to prove, they ask you to prove whether it is monotonic or not, then you have to apply this function, this equation. Got it? Now next, this is written in term of mu a bar. A is equal to mu a bar x, b is equal to mu b a bar y, where a bar x is less than mu a bar y, then c of mu a bar x is greater than or equal to c of mu a bar y. Got it? This is satisfy a monotonic function. Now third exams is C is continuous variable. C complement is continuous. Okay. Hope you are writing this. All of you. Rishabh, Joy. Third exams is C is continuous. And fourth exams is C complement complement. Do you know in digital electronics A complement complement is equal to? In digital electronics A complement complement is equal to? A complement complement. A only, then it is called complement is idempotency. Then it is called complement is idempotency. Got it? If A complement is equal to A, then it is called rule. That rule is satisfy what? Idempotency. Got it? Why idempotency? Okay. Now we have satisfied 4 axioms for complements. First is boundary condition. Second is monotonic. Third is continuous. 4 is idempotency. Now, second axioms for union. I hope you are writing. Are you able to see my screen now? Okay. So, boundary condition, monotonic, continuous and idempotency is satisfied. Now, union. Union is satisfied 6 axioms. That is, union is contain what? What is supposed to do with union? What we are finding in union? What we are finding in union? Maximum. So if exam 1 boundary condition, union of 0, 0 equal to what? Maximum of 0, 0, 0. Maximum of 1, 1 is 1. Union of 0, 1 is equal to 1. Then union of 1, 1 is 1. So this is satisfy the boundary condition for union. First axiom. Okay. Next, second axiom. If A less than A complement and B less than B complement, then union of A comma B is less than or equal to union of A complement comma B complement. So this is satisfy. If this is proof, then it is satisfy a monotonic function. Got it? All of you? it is satisfied monotonic. Got it? Please reply. Joy, Tanmaya, Darshil, Satyam, Ashutosh, Yash. लखाई गयो? लिख लिया सबने? Okay, third axiom is commutative. Commutative is union of A comma B is equal to union of B comma A. This commutative properties we already know. Union of A comma B is must equal to union of B comma A. This satisfies the third axiom is commutative. Okay? Hope you are writing. Fourth axiom number 4, that associative. Associative is union of A comma B comma C is equal to union of A comma union of B comma C. This is fourth axiom, associative. Okay. Fifth axiom is same as complement, is contained, union is continuous. Axiom 6. Fifth axiom is same, union is continuous. Then sixth axiom. Axiom number 6 is union of A comma A is equal to A. This is what is the maximum between these two? That is A only. So it satisfies the properties of idempotency. Okay. So कितने rule है? In complement we have 4 rules. In union we have, okay, 5. यहाँ से बाकी है ना लिखना? Why not? Ekta, you said na that union of A comma B is equal to union of B comma A. It is satisfied. We will see by example.
Ma'am, in the last lecture I asked you na union of adult comma
That
senior and there was a
first-
difference.
फर्स्ट अगर दोनों एक है, union of A comma B and B comma A. Okay, that we will see if it is satisfied or not. अभी तो लिख लो, according to the book it is satisfied. Let's see whether what it is satisfied or not. By seeing example we will see that. लिख लिया? ये अभी इग्नोर करो. Axiom 4 लिखा, associative. All of you please reply. Sai, Siddharth, Rajneesh, Mahiti, Himani, Satyam, Krunal, Akash, Delia.
Bye. Mummy आना चाह.
One second. लिख लिया एग्जिम 4, 5? Now for the intersection. Intersection is also satisfies 6 property. First condition is boundary condition, that for what we have done in intersection. इंटरसेक्शन के लिए क्या करते हैं? मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम. मिनिमम, so minimum of 0,00, minimum of 0,10, then minimum of 1,0 is 0, minimum of 1,1 is 1. This satisfies the boundary condition. Got it? Then second, if A is less than A bar, then A bar, then if A is less than A bar and B is less than B bar, then intersection of A comma B is less than or equal to intersection of A dash comma B dash. It is satisfied a monotonic, same as union, but difference यहाँ पे क्या है? Intersection लेना है. Got it? All of you write down, please. हो गया? Then here commutative. Here it's also satisfied the commutative, that I of A comma B is equal to I of B comma A. Please write down. It's not necessary कि मैं note upload कर दूँगी. If I find out that you are not writing anything, then I will not give you note. लिख लो. सब कुछ दिया है, लिख लो. Exam 4, associative. Intersection of intersection A comma B comma C is equal to intersection of A comma intersection of B comma C. So these are 4th associative. Now 5th one is common. Intersection is continuous, and 6th one, intersection of A comma A is equal to A. It satisfies the 6th rule, that is nothing but idempotency. लिख लिया ये? Done? Then next. Start करूँ next कि वो बाकी था? Reply. Please reply. Krunal, Akash, Dhaiर्य, Sanjeev, Mahendra, Animesh, Kamalkant, Anupam, Himanshu, Harshil, Harshdeep, okay. Now next is disjunctive sum. A disjunctive sum is nothing but an exclusive OR operation. Exclusive OR operation. How will we perform an exclusive OR operation in A XOR B? So to perform exclusive OR operation, first we find A intersection B complement, then A complement intersection B, then union of both. Then we get a exclusive OR. Okay, if you see my example, see this is the universal set X which containing two set A, B. So if you find the exclusive OR, then what will you get? A rest. rest of the part. ये पार्ट मिलेगा। गॉट इट? ओके। अभी मैंने यूनियन करवाया, इंटरसेक्शन करवाया, कॉम्प्लीमेंट करवाया। एनीवन, किसी को कंफ्यूजन, किसी को क्वेश्चन नहीं हुआ मैडम क्यों ये यूनियन करवा रही है, क्यों ये इंटरसेक्शन करवा रही है? नो वन हैज डाउट कि क्या हो रहा है मैडम, क्यों करवा रहे हो ये? किसी ने पूछा भी नहीं कि मैडम यूनियन इंटरसेक्शन का फजी लॉजिक पे क्या काम है, हम कब से यही कर रहे हैं, एक्सओर फाइंड कर रहे हैं, कॉम्प्लीमेंट फाइंड कर रहे हैं। नो वन आस्क्ड मी। सौरव, भावेश, सुनील, मल्ला प्रवीण, अपूर्व, अजिता, श्रव्या, देवांश, जीत, वत्सल। नो वन आस्क्ड मी क्वेश्चन। विश्वजीत थोड़ा लगाया कि मैडम क्यों यूनियन फाइंड करना है, क्यों इंटरसेक्शन फाइंड करना है? प्लीज रिप्लाई। मनीष, वामशी, हर्ष, हर्षिल, हिमांशु, ध्रुव, प्रियांशी, अनुपम, कमलकांत। मेरा नेट स्लो है कि आप रिप्लाई नहीं दे रहे हो, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है। हाँ, my net is slow or you are not replying? प्लीज रिप्लाई। आपको पता चला क्यों, थोड़ा लगाया कि मैडम क्यों करना है ये? अनिमेश, महेंद्र, एक रिप्लाई तो दे दो। नो मैम नहीं पता, इतना तो बोल दो। एकता, प्लीज रिप्लाई। others? Okay, so consider an example. Let's take some example. Suppose weather forecasting department give you two fuzzy set. That fuzzy set is contain, one set contain all the data of weather from month January to month December. 2019 का डेटा दिया है और 2020 का दिया है, ठीक है। इफ समवन से फाइंड द वेदर वेयर मार्च में और मार्च 2019 एंड मार्च 2020 में कौन सी डेट पे सेम वेदर रहा है। इफ today's date is 16, that whether 16 on 2019 whether is same or not. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? if they say the 2019 and 20, they ask you in which day the weather is same, then what will you apply into fuzzy set? In set theory यूनियन में क्या होता है? यूनियन मीन्स व्हाट? यूनियन अगर दो आइडेम्पोर्टेंस से भी आएगा, अगर दोनों सेट में अगर डेटा सेम है, ठीक है। अगर जैसे कि कौन सी डेट पे कॉमन डेटा है, तो इफ यू अप्लाई यूनियन देन यू विल गेट। इफ समवन से कि अगर ये इस महीने से कम के टेम्परेचर कैसे है, तो हाउ विल यू फाइंड द वेदर? बाय अप्लाइंग इंटरसेक्शन इन दिस फजी लॉजिक। Got it or not? समझ में आया? If two set is given, two large number of set is given, if they say find the common, find the difference, find the complement, अगर इस डेट पे ये है तो उस डेट पे क्या होगा? 2019 में सितंबर में ये टेम्परेचर है तो 2020 में सितंबर में टेम्परेचर कितना है? तो what will you apply? You will apply this function. Got it? That's why we are using this. एक था, अगर दो सेट दे रखा है 2019 का वेदर और 2019 एंड 2020 की वेदर फोरकास्टिंग ने डेटा दे रखे हैं, ऑल द टेम्परेचर सब कुछ दे रखा है। इफ दे से कौन सी डेट पे टेम्परेचर सेम है, ओके, कौन सी डेट पे टेम्परेचर सेम है, तो इफ यू अप्लाई द इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन यूनियन, then you will say that on which day the weather are same. Are you got it? Union means क्या? यूनियन का मतलब क्या होता है नॉर्मल सेट थ्योरी में? मैक्सिमम निकालते हो, अगर सेम है आइडेंटिटी भी प्रूव होता है। समझ में आ रहा है क्या हो रहा है? दो लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ फजी सेट दे रखा है। इफ दे टोल्ड यू to find whether in which date weather is same, if they say if all the element of A or B is equal to union of crisp set, but if they say किस डेट पे अगर वेदर इक्वल है तो आप क्या फाइंड करोगे, क्या अप्लाई करोगे? इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन अप्लाई करोगे। लास्ट में मैंने कल करवाया था, that mu A bar is equal to mu B bar। इक्विवेलेंट फजी सेट कब होगा? जब दोनों फजी सेट की वैल्यू इक्वल होगी, देन इट इज इक्विवेलेंट फजी सेट। इफ समवन से टेल मी द वेदर, अगर 20 है तो फिर कॉम्प्लीमेंट कैसे फाइंड करते हैं? व्हाट इज द स्टेटमेंट फॉर इंटरसेक्शन? कैन यू टेल मी द जनरल स्टेटमेंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन? इंटरसेक्शन मीन्स व्हाट? Intersection means what? Common element? All of you? Intersection means what? Other? Sai, Siddharth, Rajneesh, Mahiti, Himani, Satyam? Common element? Okay. So if someone say अगर दोनों में कॉमन क्या है, मीन्स अगर ये वेदर जुलाई का वेदर 40-40-40 आ रहा है और 2020 में भी जुलाई का सारा वेदर 40-40 आ रहा है, तो डू यू फाइंड इट इज कॉमन? देन व्हाट विल यू गेट? इफ यू फाइंड हाउ यू अप्लाई अ कॉमन, इफ यू अप्लाई इंटरसेक्शन फंक्शन, देन यू विल गेट दैट दिस टू फजी सेट, you will get the intersection between these two is common. Got it? If they give you two fuzzy set of weather forecasting department, give you two fuzzy sets which contain all the weather data. If they say find the common temperature in 2019 and 2020, what will you apply? Intersection. Got it? This is the normal function set theory. अभी जो हम एग्जाम्पल कर रहे हैं उसमें तो 2-4 डेटा ही दे रखा है. It will not be in all case, then union and intersection are same. Okay, leave. Fine. So these are the function that we will apply. अगर ये फंक्शन हम तो अभी फिजिकली अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, बट उसके लिए मैटलैब में all the function is already built. We will see in MATLAB how it will work. Got it? We will see it in MATLAB. Yes, it is depends upon element. Yes. Okay, fine. So disjunctive sum. So disjunctive sum is nothing but exclusive OR operation. How will we perform exclusive OR operation? A intersection B complement union, A complement intersection B. So there are two ways to perform. In crisp set, we are performed like this. There are two ways to perform disjunctive sum. First is simple disjunctive sum. So in simple disjunctive sum, we are doing just like this. That A complete, that fuzzy set A XOR B fuzzy set B is equal to A bar intersection B bar complement union A complement intersection B bar. So here A bar is nothing but mu A bar x, B bar is nothing but mu B bar x. Complement कैसे फाइंड करना है? 1 minus mu A bar x and B complement कैसे फाइंड करना है? 1 minus mu b bar b. Then how will we find an intersection between this? What we supposed to do? We supposed to find a minimum between these two values, then a minimum between complement of C and complement of B. Then we will give their name as a PQ. Then what we finally do? A maximum, that is nothing but a union between these two elements. Okay, ये लिख लो फटाफट. Then solve this using one example. ये लिख लिया? Please write down. Are you writing? Kunal? अनिमेश, कमलकांत, अनुपम, प्रियांशी, ध्रुव, हिमांशु, आदित्य साहू, वायलेट, वायलेट, बाकी प्लीज थोड़ा जल्दी करो, बहुत कुछ करवाना है. हर्ष, वामसी, मनीष, गौतम, विश्वजीत, वत्सल, देवांश, आशीष, यशवी, सयू, अदर, अपूर्व, अजिता, श्रव्या, सुनील, भावेश, सौरव, यशवी, आशीष, देवांश, जीत, अनुपम, got it? Okay, now can you solve this example for me? Solve this. Value of a bar is x1 comma 0.2, x2 comma 0.7, x3 1, x4 1. Solve this example for me and tell me what will be first. What you supposed to do? पहले तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट की जरूरत है, तो पहले कॉम्प्लीमेंट फाइंड कर लो उसका. ठीक है, पहले ये वैल्यू लिख लो ऑल ऑफ यू. देन सॉल्व दिस एग्जांपल यूजिंग एक्सॉर. A bar complement find किया? How will you find A bar complement? Tell me. ओके, तो फाइंड करके क्या आंसर आएगा ए बार कॉम्प्लीमेंट और बी बार कॉम्प्लीमेंट का? विल यू गेट दिस आंसर? चेक इट. विल यू गॉट दिस? बी बार कॉम्प्लीमेंट. Then what we supposed to do? Then find fuzzy set A bar intersection B bar complement. मिला? ये आंसर आया, वेरीफाई करो. You got this answer? Verify. Okay. Then what we supposed to perform a last? A bar complement B bar complement मिल गया. A bar complement intersection B bar complement मिल गया. Then PQ. Then what we supposed to perform last? A union between these two. That is nothing but a maximum. Then what will you get? आंसर आ रहा है? फाइन. आई डिड. फिर मैंने क्या किया, दोनों साइड को ऐसे, मैंने फिर क्या किया था, दोनों को एज अ सेट बनाया, ग्राफ ड्रॉ किया, फिर चेक किया कि क्या आंसर आता है ए बार एक्स और बी बार का. सो आई जस्ट डिड समथिंग, I just draw a graph and check whether I will get something in A bar complement B bar or not. Here this is graph for A bar, this is graph for B bar. Then I apply XOR, then I see last what will I get. I get this. Point 7. Zero. Point 1. Got it? All of you done? Then next. Next is a disjoint sum. First is simple disjoint sum, that is same as crisp set. But second is disjoint sum, that is A bar alpha B bar. So what we supposed to do here? We just supposed to take a difference between these two values. We just supposed to take a difference between these two. Mu A bar x minus mu B bar x. Can tell me ये दोनों आंसर, ये दोनों सेट है. Now find the disjunctive sum A bar alpha, sorry A bar delta B bar. Find out. क्या करना है? mu A bar minus mu B bar. Got it? ये करना है. Disjunctive sum of A bar delta B bar is equal to mu A bar delta B bar x is equal to mu A bar x minus mu B bar x. Got it? All of you got it or not? रिप्लाई प्लीज. इसका आंसर क्या है? सिर्फ डिफरेंस करना है, माइनस बिटवीन दिस टू. होप यू आर गेटिंग दिस. क्या आंसर आएगा? 0.2 माइनस 0.3. 0.3 आंसर आएगा. और मतलब लाइन में है तो माइनस कंसिडर नहीं करेंगे, डायरेक्ट 0.3 करेंगे. आई डोंट नो, पर गुजराती मैंने माना के भाई. वत्सल इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं, आई डोंट नो। इंग्लिश में શું કહેવાય વત્સલ એને? So did you get this answer? All of you? Sanjeev, Vikas, Dhairya, Joy, Mahiti, Darshil, Modulus, हाँ. Got it? कैसे होता है? तो XOR in disjunctive sum we have two types, simple disjunctive and normal disjunctive sum. A simple disjunctive, how will we calculate? A bar XOR B bar is equal to A bar complement intersection of B bar union A bar intersection of B bar complement. Got it? Then normal, we just need to find a difference between these two values. Just फटाफट last 40 minutes बाकी है, last thing. Then we have to move to next thing. Fuzzy set यहाँ पे खत्म. Then we will start the crisp relation and fuzzy relation. हम लोग बहुत धीरे धीरे जा रहे हैं. Fuzzy difference. A fuzzy difference in set is equal to A minus B is equal to A intersection B complement. So if you will see in universal set X, A and B is given. If they told you to find difference in fuzzy set, then what will you get? A intersection B complement. Then whatever is resting, that is A, and whatever the intersection part is, leave. So this the part is only we get in this A minus B. A intersection B complement में यही part आएगा. Got it? Okay. So उसमें भी दो type के होता है. That is two type of simple difference where A bar minus B bar is equal to A bar intersection B bar complement. So ये value दे रखी है, find it by yourself. Value is I think same. No, ये value लिख लो और find intersection में तो minimum करना है, complement में 1 minus mu B bar. All of you please write down this. Please write down this value and find A bar complement, A bar intersection B bar complement. Fine? लिखा? All of you please reply. मिल गया? आंसर आ भी गया? बराबर? करेक्ट हर्षिल. इजी? ये सब इजी है, ठीक है, आगे आएगा जब तुम्हारा दिमाग चकरा जाएगा. ठीक है, अभी सेकेंड. फर्स्ट इज सिंपल डिफरेंस, सेकेंड इज बाउंडेड डिफरेंस. A bounded difference, how will we calculate a bounded difference? That mu A bar theta mu B bar, bounded difference के लिए theta होता है. So that is nothing but a maximum of 0, mu A bar x minus mu B bar x. ये दोनों का डिफरेंस और 0 से ज्यादा होना चाहिए. ठीक है, सेम वैल्यू, सेम सेट you already written. If you difference minus 0.2 minus 0.3, what will you get? 0.2 minus 0.5. 0.2 minus 0.5 minus 0.3. 0.2 minus 0.5. You will get minus 0.3. Then what you supposed to do? You supposed to take a maximum between 0, minus 0.2. Obviously 0 is max. So you will get a 0 as your answer. Then next element, next is 0.7 minus 0.4. You will get 0.4. 1 minus 1. 0 and 0 minus 0.1, that is minus 0.1. Then what will the maximum? 0 is maximum. This is how you will find a bounded difference. Got it? Got it? All of you? Adar, Vatsal, Joy, Tanmay, Darshil, Satyam, Ashutosh. एकता, महेंद्र, श्रीनाथ. ओके फाइन. अभी आज के लिए इतना रखते हैं. अभी सेकंड इंपॉर्टेंट, डिस्टेंस ऑफ फजी सेट. हैमिंग डिस्टेंस अभी बाकी है. यू नो व्हाट इज हैमिंग डिस्टेंस? हैमिंग डिस्टेंस क्या होता है? इन कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स व्हाट इज हैमिंग डिस्टेंस? कंप्यूटर हैमिंग पैरिटी चेक. हैमिंग डिस्टेंस क्या होता है? व्हाट इज हैमिंग लेंथ क्या होती है? जहां से एरर स्टार्ट होगी एंड होगी वहां उसकी लेंथ हैमिंग डिस्टेंस. सेंडर और रिसीवर में कितना बिट का डिफरेंस है? हैमिंग डिस्टेंस क्या है? कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क में हैमिंग डिस्टेंस नहीं पढ़ा? पहले कल हैमिंग डिस्टेंस करके आना. हैमिंग डिस्टेंस. हैव यू लर्न द ग्राफ थियरी? ग्राफ थियरी पढ़ा है? ग्राफ थियरी. Then you have learned the Euclidean distance. Euclidean distance. हाँ कि ना? हैमिल्टनियन सर्किट. थोड़ा ग्राफ थियरी थोड़ा रिवाइज करने के आना. ठीक है, डिटेल में नहीं जाना है, बट स्टिल यू मस्ट नो व्हाट इज हैमिल्टनियन डिस्टेंस. यू मस्ट नो. ठीक है, अभी अपना इंट्रोडक्शन क्लासिकल सेट एंड फजी सेट खत्म हुआ है. क्रिस्प रिलेशन, फजी रिलेशन, इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. ठीक है, ये चालू करना है. अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा है नोट तो गो थ्रू बुक्स. बुक्स में अपना यहाँ पे ये फजी सेट और ये वाला पार्ट अभी कंप्लीट हुआ है. वी हैव डन द ऑपरेशन, वी हैव डन द प्रॉपर्टीज, वी हैव डन दिस, हाउ विल वी मैप, वी हैव डन द फजी सेट, हाउ विल वी रिप्रेजेंट. Then we have done the fuzzy set operation, union, intersection, complement, properties of fuzzy set. Then after this the last one is classical and fuzzy relation. ये चालू करना है. Cartesian product, ये सब चालू करना है. Got it? So next time classical relation and fuzzy relation. But before that ये Hamiltonian वाला पार्ट बाकी है, वो करेंगे. Hamming distance. ओके, हैमिंग डिस्टेंस वाला बाकी है. गॉट इट? समझ पड़े છે? अदर, for every non-adjective vertex pair, sum of their degree and shortest path length is greater than n vertices. गूगल किया. फाइन. ओके, चलो अटेंडेंस फटाफट. ओके.